Hello, Sudoku friends. Hi guys, welcome back with the second Sudoku in this edition of yesterday's newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, July the 7th, 2021, because today, on Thursday, July the 8th, 2021, we have no extra Sudoku, so I've decided to continue with the rest of the Sudokus in yesterday's newspaper. And this second Sudoku will be a number 3067. Alright, before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, plus 4, 26 printed digits. Correct. Correct me if I'm wrong. And for a 2-star Sudoku, I need a 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Alright? So, let's get started. Alright. Let me see. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 4 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So the row between, the only place for the 7 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 8 and 3. 8 and 3. We see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here and a 3 goes there. We have a 1 and an 8 in this row. We have a 1 and an 8 in the last row. So the row between, the only two places for the 1 and 8 should be in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 8. 1 and 8. Alright. So what are the other 3 numbers in this row? 1 and 8. 2, 3 is missing, the 9 is missing, 3, 9, and the 5, 3, 9, and a 5. Look, we have a 9 there, so no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. So the 3 and the 5 are left. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So the other 2 boxes, the other pair in this big square, should be the numbers 2 and 6. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. The last row in this, the last 2 boxes. No, the 2 boxes in the last row. Yes, 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. The other 2 numbers, here we have 1 and 8. In this big square should be the numbers 9 and 2. 9 and 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and then 9 goes there. Alright. And now, let me see. Which number shall I pick? We have a 3 in the last column. 3 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Okay, in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see there 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. There 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. So we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between, the middle column, the only place for the 3 should be here. So now we have 1 box left in this big square for number 5. Alright. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 3 boxes. There 5, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here or could be there. Those are the 2 boxes are left for the 5. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. You see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. All right. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 2. We have a 4 and a 2 in this column, so no 4 and a 2 in those 3 boxes. The 4 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 4 and a 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. All right. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. The 3 is missing. The 1 is missing. We see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 could be here, could be there. So we have a pair, 3 and a 1. So 1 box left in this big square for the number 6. All right. 1 box left in this column for the number 1. All right. Then yeah, we have a pair, 2 and a 3 in this row, 2 and a 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places for the 2 and the 3 should be in those 2 boxes as a pair. Okay, as a pair. 4 missing numbers now in this row. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6 in this big square. So no 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. Alright. Alright. 9, 9. 8. 7. Okay. Yeah. We have a pair in the middle column. Those 2 missing numbers are the 5 and the 4 in this column. 5 and the 4. Look for 4 there. So let me mark those. So the other pair in this big square should be the numbers 8 and 7. 8 and 7. Yeah. A lot of pairs. We have a 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 5. Alright. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 4. Alright. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place for the 1 should be there. Yeah. Okay. We have a 5 in this row, 5 in the middle a row, so the row above. The only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there, 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column, so the first column. The only 3 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 2 and number 5. Alright. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 8 and 7. 8 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and 8 goes there. Now we have 8 there. So this box is going to be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 1. Okay. 8 in the last column. 8 in the column next. So in that column, no need to place for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Okay. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a 9. Now missing 7 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means we have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this box cannot be a 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. And this box should be an 8. Alright. Now, 1 box left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing, yes. Alright. 7, 9, 1, 1. Okay. How about those 2 missing numbers in the second row? Those 2 numbers are the 7 and the 9. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 9 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 9 here, so this box is going to be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 7. Now we have a 1 there, so this box is going to be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers 2 and 8. No, 8 we have. 2 and 7. Missing 2 and 7. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 3. Alright, so we have a 3 in the third column, 3 in the first column, so the column between. The second column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in this second column for the number 8, I believe. Yes, 8 is missing. 2 numbers left in the first column. For the big square. The 2 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 8 and the 6. 8 and the 6. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 6 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 6 and 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 6 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Yes, I like this one. And I'm pleased with the time because I'm faster than the 15 to 20 minutes I've predicted. Yes. So is this really a 2 stars? I will give this a 1 star. I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later. Later with the last Sudoku. A tectonic with 1 star. See you then. Bye-bye for now.